Your first rental property will fail if you skip these three critical steps that most beginners completely ignore. I see new investors rushing into deals without proper preparation and losing thousands. Here's the checklist that separates successful landlords from those who quit after their first disaster. First, run the numbers twice. Calculate monthly rent, mortgage, insurance, taxes, and maintenance costs. Then subtract 10% for vacancy and 5% for repairs. If you're not making at least $200 profit monthly, walk away. I saw investors learn this the hard way when their first property broke even for 2 years. They failed to grow as I scaled and pasted them. Second, inspect everything yourself. Don't just rely on the home inspector. Check water pressure, test all outlets, look for foundation cracks, and examine the roof. Hidden problems become your expensive problems. I once bought a house with a $5,000 plumbing issue that wasn't caught during inspection. I spent the first week digging up the sewer drain because I failed to have the sewer line inspected with cameras. Third, research your local landlord laws before you buy. Some cities have rent control, strict eviction processes, or tenant-friendly regulations that can destroy your profits. Know what you can and cannot do as a landlord in your area. Add the following to your checklist. Get pre-approved financing, build relationships with contractors, and have 6 months of expenses saved for emergencies. Create a business plan treating this like the business it is, not a hobby. Screen tenants thoroughly with credit checks, employment verification, and references. A bad tenant costs more than a vacant property. Meet with and vet multiple property managers. Most importantly, start small with a single-family home in a decent neighborhood. Don't try to flip or buy multiple properties until you master the basics. Once you learn the basics and have systems in place, don't buy anything less than 3 or 4 unit multifamily properties. The investors who follow this checklist build wealth. Those who skip steps usually sell their properties within 2 years and never invest again.